Hi, Mark. What is it?
Bob says you can stop for a minute. Wendy's made a cake.
A rake? Oh, I think there's one back at the yard.
Leo! Leo! Leo!
Oh, hey, Mark. Didn't see you there. What's up?
Don't you want to have some of the cake, Leo? It looks like a good one.
A glue gun? Oh, sure. There's one in my toolbox.
Leo!
Hi, Mark. How can I help?
There's only a little bit of the cake left, Leo. And Bob says it's got a really good filling.
Really good drilling? Hey, thanks, Mark.
I wonder why Leo didn't want to try any of the cake I baked.
Well, he's really missed out.
Missed out on what?
Wendy's cake. Sorry, there's none left now.
There was cake? Why didn't anyone tell me?
I've almost finished putting in these posts for the new fence, Leo. Can you finish up while I go get the wire to connect them?
Sure, Bob. This big post hammer is ready for whacking.
And I'm ready with the posts.
Right, let's start whacking them in.
Hold on. Remember to check that the posts are the same length, so they're the same height when they're installed.
Okay.
This one's a little bit too long.
Now can I start the whacking?
Yes, now can we start?
Okay, I'll leave you to it. Just be sure that they're all the same height.
There we go. Now to get whacking.
Woohoo!
Okay. Next one, please, Scoop.
We'll have this fence finished in no time.
There we go. Looking good.
Huh. This one is taller than that one. Didn't Bob say you needed to measure and cut them to size, Leo?
No need to do that. I'll just give it another whack.
Now it's shorter than all the other posts.
Oh, that's okay. I'll give all the others a whack too. There we go.
Leo?
Oh, maybe a few more whacks?
Leo, Scoop, what happened to the posts for the fence?
I think I may have gotten a little carried away.
Yes, I think you've gone a little wacky with your whacking.
Look on the bright side. At least they're all the same height now.
This is going to be the biggest game of the season.
Okay, Leo, do you remember what you're learning today?
It's not who's going to win the final, is it, Bob?
Not quite, Leo. You're going to learn how to lay bricks.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Cool.
First, put some mortar onto your trowel and spread it evenly along the wall. Leo?
A friend just told me Spring City have taken the lead. Woohoo! Oh, sorry.
Place your brick on top, tap it down, then scrape off the spare mortar. Get the next brick, spread mortar on the end and stick it next to the first one. And so on.
No problem, Bob.
I need to go to the yard. You stay focused on the job and I'll be right back, okay?
Of course, Bob.
This has got to be one of the most exciting games I've ever seen. And that's half time. What an amazing first half.
Good time for lunch, I think. Now, where's my lunchbox? Must be here some... Oh, no!
Hi, Leo. How's the bricklaying going?
Good, Bob. Good. I'm a bit busy. Can I call you back?
Hi, Leo.
Oh, hi, Wendy.
You haven't seen my book around, have you? I can't find it anywhere.
No.
Well, it must be somewhere. Oh, no.
And there's the final whistle. Spring City have won!
Woohoo! Job done. I'll call Bob and tell him the good news. Now, where's my walkie-talkie?
Hi, Leo. How's the wall? Over?
OK, Leo. You'll be painting this wall while I finish off the driveway. Do you remember all the steps we talked about?
Of course, Bob.
Not yet, Leo.
Oh, what's wrong?
First, you need to protect the floor from paint drips with a sheet and put masking tape over the glass.
Oh, right. Right. Almost forgot that part. But I'm on it.
There you go, Dizzy. Ready?
I'll mix it all up right away.
Thanks, Dizzy. Leo, hold on a second.
What did I forget now?
You need to fill all the cracks in the wall before applying the paint.
Oh, yeah. Just testing you, Bob. I'll do that now.
Lovely concrete, Dizzy.
Thanks, Bob.
Just needs smoothing now. Hold on, Leo.
Uh-oh. What now?
Your roller's got too much paint on it. It's going to cause drips.
Oh, okay. I'll roll some off.
Wow, it's so flat, Bob. It's perfect.
Thank you, Dizzy. I think I deserve a milkshake, don't you?
Oh, how about my wall then?
Excellent work, Leo. You didn't forget a step.
Oh, great. Then I think I deserve a milkshake too. Don't you? Oh!
Stay exactly where you are, Leo. Don't take another step.
Right. No more steps.
Yes, he's made quite enough already.
Keep very still.
Where are you going?
Inside to get my milkshake. It's not lunchtime yet, Leo.
I'm really hungry.
Help me cut this wood first, then you can have your sandwich.
I'll be seeing you later.
Right. Today, Leo, I'm going to show you how to use a jigsaw so you can cut the wood for the shelves that we're making.
Jigsaws? Easy peasy. I did a puzzle with 1,000 pieces once.
Not that kind of jigsaw, Leo. This kind of jigsaw.
Huh? That looks easy. Let's have a go.
Hold on. First, let's practice. See how you do with this piece of scrap wood.
Oh, let me at the real stuff.
It's a powerful machine, Leo. You need to practice first. Here, cut along this line.
This'll be easier than a two-piece jigsaw. Done. Not quite as good as yours, Bob.
Never mind, Leo. Try again, but this time, don't squeeze so hard on the trigger.
Sure thing.
Perfect. Okay, let's get cutting.
There we go, Bob. That's the final shelf cut. Can I eat my sandwich now?
Of course, if you can fit it in your mouth.
Don't worry, Bob. I've got a plan for that.
Leo, no, I don't think that's such a great idea, do you? I'll get you a knife. Now, Leo, you've recently held up a few jobs because you've forgotten a few things.
Really? I don't remember that.
Well, yesterday we had to paint May Moon's giant telescope and you forgot to bring the ladders. And the paintbrushes. And the paint.
Oh yeah. Now I remember.
Good. So today's lesson is to check we've got everything before we go and that we haven't forgotten anything.
Oh, that makes sense, Bob.
Right, this morning we're building a hut at the zoo to keep all the bananas in for the monkeys.
We're going to the zoo. Woohoo!
So, I've made a list of the tools we'll need, and I want to check that you have them in your toolbox, okay?
Okay, Bob.
Right, first off, spirit level.
Got it.
Great. We don't want a wonky shed. Have you got a screwdriver?
Got. Those screws aren't gonna screw in themselves.
That's it. Hammer?
Check. Oh, I love hammers, Bob. I'm not gonna forget a hammer.
Great. Then the tape measure and safety goggles?
Got and got.
And finally, the saw.
Ah, here. Oh, ouch. Oh.
Excellent. Then I think we're all set. Let's go build a shed. Okay, we're ready. What are you waiting for, Muck?
Aren't you going to bring your toolbox, Bob?
Oh, yeah. Silly me. I forgot. So, this is the base for the decking area I want you to nail down, Leo.
Oh, this is a really nice spot. Right by the beach. Perfect for catching some sun.
Leo,
Yes, Bob?
today I'm going to show you how to use the nail gun.
Oh, great. I've been looking forward to this. It makes such a cool noise.
First, you put the plank in the right place. Then you put the tip of the gun on a spot over a joist and squeeze the trigger.
Oh, yes! Woohoo!
And then put in more nails through the plank into the other joists.
I love that sound. Bunk, bunk, bunk.
I just need to show you how to reload it with more nails for when it runs out.
Okay.
Press the button to release the nails, and then you slot them back in here. Got that?
Got it. I'm ready to go.
Great. While you nail the deck down, I'll get the varnish. That looks really neat, Leo. Well done.
Oh, thanks, Bob. Please, be the first to take a walk on it.
Wow! Ah, ah, ooh.
No!
Leo, did you remember to reload the nail gun like I said?
Reload what?
Never mind. We can fix it. Your first lesson today, Leo, is all about drilling holes in walls.
Oh, wow, I love using the drill.
We're going to use it to hang Mayor Madison's favourite pictures. For this kind of wall, we need to use screws and roll plugs rather than nails. First, check the drill is fully charged.
Hello, Bob. I am Robo Leo 3000, the building robot. I am fully charged.
Hi, Robot Leo 3000. Can you tell the real Leo to come back and put the drill bit in, please?
Sure thing, Bob.
That's it. You're ready to go. Now, slowly at first. That's it. Now use a bit more power. Bit more.
Whoa! Oh, no. What's happened?
It's okay. Everything's fine. We can fix it. Are you sure you're okay hanging this one up on your own?
Yep. I've learned from the best. I know what I'm doing now, Bob.
Great. Then I'll leave you to it. Leo, how did you get on?
Yeah, I think I know all about drilling holes in walls now, Bob.
It looks perfect. Oh dear.
It took me a few goes to get it perfect.
Right, Leo, your second lesson today is all about filling holes in walls. Right, Leo, I found a log at the back of one of the storage sheds and it reminded me I need to give you a lesson in how to use a chainsaw.
Okay, Bob. I've been looking forward to this one.
Just remember the chainsaw is a very dangerous tool, so safety is super important.
Of course, Bob. Which is why I'm going to concentrate extra hard.
Great. So, first off, the right safety gear. I'll need all these. Gloves, safety goggles, and ear defenders. Okay, now step back, Leo. I'm going to switch the chainsaw on. Pull the starter rope sharply until the engine fires. Disengage the brake, squeeze the throttle, and start cutting.
Scoop, Mark, Lofty, come check this out. Awesome.
That is incredible.
Amazing, Bob. It'll take me a long time to get anywhere near that good.
Just takes practice, Leo.
Have you seen a log anywhere? I ordered it for the seesaw I'm building at the playground.
Oh, whoops. I think you might need to order another one of those, Wendy. In fact, why don't you have a sit down while I do it?
Oh.